To conclude this section, let's examine the final unit type, or rather, the pseudo-unit, auto. In the editor, auto is the last option in the drop-down menu and is denoted by a capital A. Let's look at how auto works. When we change the height of our inner column from 214 pixels to auto, you will notice that the container, or this inner column holding these two text widgets, suddenly becomes a bit smaller. I'll reset the padding to further demonstrate what I mean. Notice that the height of this inner column, now set to auto, has reduced to match the height of the elements within it. So when you define an item as auto, you essentially instruct it to occupy only the space it requires. In other words, when you apply auto to any element, you're directing the browser to calculate its dimensions based on the content the element holds within. This makes auto, unlike the other relative units we've seen, like percentage and viewport height and width, which reference a parent element to calculate their size. Auto works in the opposite way, where it examines the content inside of it and calculates its size based on the size of that content.